Hollywood knows it. That's not hard enough.
Out here with Rick and JP. They're out here. These two boys. Rick, any concerns or anything you want to say about Trump?
Oh shit.
Any concerns or
I have no idea what's going on.
You don't?
Is he okay?
I don't know, man.
He's on WWE.
He's about to be our president, and he has no government experience and no
experience.
no.
He has no politics.
Focusing?
Yeah.
Experience.
Let's put some oil in.
Politics experience.
So that's the message for Mr. Donald Trump. Yeah, no experience whatsoever.
He has no credentials.
Build the walls, build the rails.
Build the stairs. Build the rails. Build the ramps. Make Mexico bueno again.
Jacob always eating. You will always find this dude munching on something. Apparently he ate and then he was asking me to go to the store to get something to munch on, and he had already eaten, just eaten.
Just farted right now.
You just farted?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? You're really proud? It's a proud moment in your life?
I'm going to take a whiff of that.
Oh shoot. Bruh. No, you're not kidding. I think I got a whiff of that warm summer air. That stank summer air though. It's hot.
You're lying.
It's raining and cold right now, but that was
Not even bad.
a fart.
And all this rain.
Yeah, it's raining. Y'all gonna hit it up tomorrow?
Yeah.
Come back and finish it up. I like your pants, bro. Oh. I want to keep saying stuff, but I just stopped myself. They're really nice though. I really like them. I was like, damn, bro, all the freaking parrots, bro. Attack! We're getting attacked by parrots. It's like the movie Birds from like 1980 something, where they start attacking the shit out of everybody. Put those pants on, man. Hey, I kind of want some like those. Damn, bro, it's loud. You let me have them? Yeah. I don't think they fit me, bro. I'm kind of fat. What, you got a phone? Jacob, like they're attacking him. Man,
Is that Nolly? Damn, Jacob.
that's skill.
I'm not gonna lose. Okay.
You broke your truck.
Oh,
No way, dude.
look at it spin.
Yeah.
Oh, snaps.
Broke it. You broke the truck.
No, I just broke a bolt.
One of the bolts popped over. Two of them?
2 bolts.
Oh, snaps.
Yeah. That's cool.
Game of skate is over.
It's hilarious. Did you
Who wins? You got it? No way. No way. Ow. Bro.
What's up, dude? Ah.
You got it?
Bro, man.
Last message to Trump. JP? One last message for Trump?
You look like a potato.
He looks like a potato?
And an orange.
Huh?
He looks like an orange and a potato.
But like that new Snapchat filter where like
Yeah,
the orange gets cut in half.
Yeah, dude. And
He just starts throwing up a bunch of orange juice. Oh, damn, snaps, bro. I'll see you later. Watch that UFC.